Welcome to Mike's kitchen. Holy cow! Let's eat. Hello YouTube, my name is Mike. Today is wonderful day. You know why? Because today is Father's Day on June 21st and you are watching my favorite cooking channel of all time. Looking back to the relationship with my dad, we didn't go well. I mean, I'm 36 years old and I don't really feel comfortable being with my dad all day. But I have realized I'm old. That means he's old too, right? Yeah, he'll be 77 years old this November. And I was thinking maybe it is time that I should do something for him before he goes to Crepes, Obviously, he couldn't be happy if I present him cash. But guess what I'm gonna make him for today? That's right. Today, I'm gonna share with you how to make classic and a very delicious homemade crepe, which makes you a perfect weekend brunch, served with fruit, sugar, nuts, and cream for dessert first. And then I wanna see how my dad responds to my sweet present. I believe you're gonna be able to have fun with that as well. And if you enjoy, give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you can keep watching. Alright, so I know you are a big fan of Mike Nakagawa. I think you might have noticed. Hey Mike, you made the same video before, didn't you? If you noticed, you are goddamn excellent. That's right. I actually made a video titled with "Crepe is the best of the best." Today's video is kinda a revised one. So I recorded 2 years ago from today, if I remember correctly. The last video was not really well organized and I didn't like it better, to be honest. But many viewers of mine requested me to make more cooking videos, so I have decided to make the revised recipe of homemade crepe because I would like to make crepe. If you can compare with the older video to see how much of my editing skill I get better, I'm so happy with that. Okay, introduction is enough. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna make SHIRATAMA DANGO this time. Yes, with this one. Mochiko. Mommy, mommy. Okay, so we wait for an hour. ああ、失敗した。じゃじゃーん、完成。イエーイ、完成です。じゃあいただきます。うん、very good おいしい。パテ君、Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. これどう？おいしい？一応な、もう今日父の日っていうことでね、作っといて。この間食いたい言ってたやん。223そんなやつやん。何それ？ブランデー？ウイスキー？割と。